Hi, I am Pankaj Gupta. I am AGM Finance in M-Worth Facility Services Pvt. We are associated with Nandini Infosys for the last 8 years since 2016. And what I feel that for us, Nandini is Tally and Tally is Nandini. Both are synonyms. And in this period of 8 years, what we have felt that Nandini Infosys has been outstanding. Their services, their support to us is remarkable, and we have never felt disgusted or any problem we have faced. They have really supported in that in every situation. Their solutions, their customization are very good, and the services are really remarkable. Everybody, what I said that Nandini is on the top in tele services, in at least in Delhi NCR, what we have experienced. So I recommend it to everybody who want best tele services.